Did you know that only about 20% of Americans have a credit score of 800 or higher? Getting there in just 6 months isn't magic, it's math. Welcome to a journey where we map out how to elevate your credit score to 800 in 6 months. This isn't just a dream, it's within reach. Month one is all about checking your credit report. You might be surprised by what you find. Mistakes happen, and correcting them could boost your score significantly. In month two, aim for a credit utilization ratio below 20%. That means if you have a total credit limit of $5,000, keep your balances below $1,000. Month three, time to pay your bills on time. Did you know that 35% of your score is based on payment history? One late payment can drop your score dramatically. Moving on to month four, diversify your credit mix. If you only have credit cards, consider adding an installment loan like a personal loan or auto loan. In month five, focus on keeping old accounts open. The length of your credit history impacts 15% of your score. Don't close those old cards. Finally, in month six, check your progress. Use a credit monitoring service to see how all your hard work has paid off. Expect to see significant improvement. Remember, achieving an 800 credit score is about consistent actions. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? What obstacles do you think will challenge your journey to an 800 credit score? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this roadmap helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on mastering your credit.